taking a look at stock ticker symbol DRNK. This one was requested by a member over here in the chat. You can see that in the bottom left-hand corner. Norwick requested DRNK. So we're going to jump into this one right now. I know that we've went through this one in the past. I'm going to take a quick look here and see when. I wanted to do this before I started the stream, but evidently I didn't. And I want to see, when did we do this one last? Was it for the contest? It might have been for that contest, Joe. I'm thinking so. Maybe not. I thought we went through this one not too long.
It seems familiar, but I mean, if it was in a contest, it would have had to been like last month because you figure it fell below the 0005.
I think that's why. I think that we did. So, yeah, Joe, if you want to pull this one up, see what's going on here. I'm gonna look through here and see. I got all these in alphabetical order, but yeah, like you said, man, I don't see anything.
Well, I'll see this one right here on. Let's see this headline on November 14th. DRNK enters final negotiations of 2 acquisitions, retires 54 billion of common shares.
When was that? What date, Joe?
54 billion. Wow. November 14th, 2016. So that was that right there. And then there was some other things after the fact. The most recent was on December 16th, and DRNK announced a sales launch of Placemaker. So the company has procured a license to Placemaker, a first-of-its-kind small business loyalty program that began as Supportland, serving the Oregon and nearby Canadian markets, and tremendous local success. The program has been branded to Placemaker following its national rollout. The network promotes local buying and awards merit points to customers for patronizing local businesses, which can be redeemed for products and services from other merchants. So that's that. So Placemaker. I'll have to go and see what Placemaker is. So Placemaker will be featured service sold through the company's outbound call center in January 2017. So that's basically what they're going to be doing soon. You figure in a few weeks.
All right.
But I mean, then there's other press releases too, David, like where they certain acquisitions of different things. So I mean, this
right.
Back in and go and research.
All right. So I'm going to take a look here at the technical standpoint, right? Why Joe was saying that you seen what I was doing here. So on the 14th, like he said, they retired shares, right? And you were trading at 0001. Within looks like 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks. Okay, you had a 700% gain off of there. All right, 0001, 0008. It seemed like much, but hey, that was 700% either way you look at it. If you were in at 0001, you sold at 0008, you made 700%. You had 2 days of that, right around the 0005 area, and then you just fell through. And watch what you did here. You fell through and you followed and followed, and you stayed above that 20-day simple moving average, even though you tested the 30-day simple moving average, right? Well, you couldn't hold the 20-day no more, and you fell through it, and you fell through the 10, the 20, and now the 30 right here. Now you're trading below that. Now you're sitting at 0002, which is going to be a high resistance and support level. I'm sure many of you guys know that, Norrick and anybody else that's going to be watching this later on that follows DRNK, I can tell just by looking at the chart that 0002 area is a big part, right? It's like once you get there, it's like, no, I don't want to get through the mud again. Once I get through the mud, we're going to fall back down. But once we get through that mud at 0002, you're going to take off again. Because you get to that 0003 and you pound down a lot of indicators. You pound down the support, resistance level at 0002, and then 3 simple moving averages, and then you're right at 0003. That's why it can move so much easier once you get past 0003. Right now, unfortunately, and like I said, I'm just telling you guys how I see it, keeping it real here. The volume has really dropped off since then. And since that volume's dropped off, so did the movement. So what I would like to see is that volume start coming back up. If that volume can come back up, I think you guys can continue to go. If not, you guys are going to stay around that 0001 and 0002 area. So to Norwick, to answer your question, I would really like to see more volume coming in here. Okay, I think that is something that is going to be definitely needed. So let's hope on some volume coming in. That'd be great. Joe, is there anything else that you want to add for DRNK?
No, I mean, I'd advise for people to go and look at their filings and their news, the latest news. And then, I mean, on their share structure over here that they have listed at OTC Markets, I mean, it's showing that the authorized shares right now is like 65 billion. And then I'm looking at that other press release, in my head, it said that they were going to really basically do away with what, 59 billion. So did this company have like 110 billion shares on the market at one time? Like that's what like kind of threw me for a loop. It's a whole lot of shares.
Right. All right. Well, hey, you know what? Like I said, you guys keep an eye on it. If that volume picks up, Norwick, I think that could really rock and roll. I mean, I don't want to be the giver of bad news. I'd rather look at it and be like, hey, you guys are setting up for a big run right now. But I'm just telling you guys how I see it. So that is stock ticker symbol DRNK.